Tell me about your swim experience. What did you get?
I think I was so surprised in how far I was able to come in 4 days. I showed up and I'd never been really in the deep end of a pool with water over my head. And just having all the very simple steps to follow helped me move pretty far along, like really quickly.
Yeah.
And I never thought I'd do some of the things that I did this week.
Nice. What was your experience of the water before you came?
I think when I was young, it was all about fear. And then it became a little bit of a shame because I didn't know how to deal with it. And then the way I tried to learn before this was because I was fearful, I was ashamed, using a lot of force, and I had to conquer it. And I always got frustrated, wasn't able to break through. And I think the simplest thing, like some of the things Colleen said here, is just slowing down, trusting the small steps, kind of almost willing to unlearn things that you learned before, help me really progress.
Yeah.
And everything that I've learned before is now better.
Nice.
And there's a lot of stuff that I hadn't understood before that I needed to understand, like just floating.
Right.
And feeling the water was just really cool.
Some foundational things.
Yeah.
Nice.
Like
nice.
all the really basic stuff is by far the most important because it keeps you calm.
Nice. Good.
Yeah.
Would you recommend it to other people?
Yeah, I already have.
Oh, good.
I think for anybody who is later in older that has a curiosity about swimming or wants to get over the fear of the water, doesn't know how, or is just a little bit afraid, I think the way this class works is helping you manage and deal with your fear and overcoming the very thing that's holding most people back.
Yeah.
And every other class I've tried to take before, there was some mechanics of swimming they were trying to teach me, and they weren't really helping me understand how to come back to myself or to learn how to be within myself. I think everybody who's learning to swim should learn this way.
Nice. Good. We do too. Thank you.
You're welcome.